Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious red enchiladas using an easy method. We'll focus on using Las Palmas sauce for a quick and flavorful meal. First, gather all your ingredients, including your preferred filling and tortillas. Warming the tortillas is a key step to prevent them from tearing. Let's get started on this simple and satisfying dish. Now, let's assemble our enchiladas. Dip each tortilla into the warm Las Palmas red enchilada sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, add about 2 tablespoons of your prepared filling down the center. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly and place it seam side down in your baking dish. Repeat this process until all your enchiladas are neatly arranged. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation. Imagine listening to your favorite cooking playlist while making these enchiladas. Bring your kitchen to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once all your enchiladas are in the baking dish, it's time for the finishing touches. Pour any remaining Las Palmas red enchilada sauce evenly over the top. Then, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheese, such as Monterey Jack or cheddar, over everything. Bake your enchiladas at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until they are bubbly and the cheese is melted. After baking, let your delicious red enchiladas rest for a few minutes. This helps them set and makes serving easier. Garnish with fresh cilantro, diced onions, or a dollop of sour cream for extra flavor and presentation. These enchiladas pair perfectly with traditional sides like refried beans and Mexican rice, making for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.